Wow. Hey you, what's good everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So, bro, guys, I'm upset. I'm really and truly upset because my girl, my Dominican girlfriend, releases a song 11 days ago, and I do not even know that this song was released. Bro, hey yo, what? Hey, hey, bro, like if this person never commented saying that Yailin releases a song, I wouldn't even know that she has released a song, bro. Like 11 days ago when this video is being recorded, bro. I'm so ashamed. I am so ashamed. You all know I'm here for my girl, Yailin. She's a very excellent Dominican artist when it comes down to heart. Bro, she stands in the middle to be a boss when it comes on to art. Guys, and I'm sorry for my late entry. It was way too long now since she released this song, and I'm just getting the chance to check out this music. Okay, so I'm here now. I'm here. So people, we're gonna react to Yailin. This song is called Hi Vienen Video Official. So, with that being said, let's go. Peace.
Cuero, cuidado, que ahí vienen ellos.
Wait. What's up with the costume? This is giving me a reminder of when Jamaica is having Jankuna Day, where we all dressed up in costume to scare people. And I think that semester comes in December, bro. Close up to Christmas, bro. So what's up with these costumes? Why is she dressed these individuals in costume? Because either way, I'm here to experience what she's experiencing where she's at.
Ay, al que le duela que pa'l carnaval no coja, que la chapa te...
Hey, no way, bro. This is what I love to see. Her beauty, right? Her leverage of style. Yo. Her energy is superb, bro. Like, her uniqueness brings forth so much difference that it makes everything look so chilly. Bro, this female is top notch, bro.
La dejan roja. Tengo un amigo que la vejiga la moja, que cuando te da, te deja coja. Vamos pa' La Vega y vamos pa'l malecón, que el coro...
Oh! Yo! Yes, this is what I know Yailin for. Her differences in music, her masking, her dress code, the way how she put these individuals in her music, it leads her to be very different and unique, particularly peculiar when it comes on to releasing bizarre yet enchanting music, bro.
Activo con el ron y vasofón. Vamos pa' La Vega que el coro está calentón. Todos los cueros activos atrás de su tiguerón. Quiere que me ponga pa' que me dé un vejigazo.
Bro, back away, bro. Back away. I do not like the fact that you are spotting her there, bro. Bro, back away, man. Bro, come on, bro. Back away. Back the heck away. Bro, she's too good. She's literally a TV screen, which is a 55-inch to watch. Too beautiful yet colorful. She catches my eyes, bro. With her music, with her looks, with her differences, with her spectacular voice. Bro, I'm having a superb crush.
Papi duro, nunca al paso. Quiere que me ponga pa' que me dé un vejigazo. Ay, papi duro, nunca al paso.
Oh my, this is too cool! Ria, 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 ria. Too cool!
¿Cómo quiere que me ponga? ¿De frente o de lado?
Oh wow! Oh wow! Oh wow! Dog. She looks so good! I love the way how she displayed herself. She's showing who she really is. And this is why I always seems to respect Yailin, because she's not afraid to show the person that she really is. Her personality is different. And this is the reason why I also love her, because, you know, this is who she really is. And she's not hiding behind any form of closure, but yet she's showing what she does best. And this is her. And I love her for her.
Ay, vienen los diablos y yo soy más mala. Que me quedo como si nada. No me intimida esa manada. Si es por mí, le damos hasta.
Wow. Bro, the color, it's booming. Yo, I gotta say, bro, she's an astonishment. A completion of beautification, bro. Bro, I love this video so much, man. Trust me.
Mañana. Que no me quiero acotar. Ay.
Bro, what's up with the neon colors? What is she representing? Because anything she's representing, I'm here to represent her. Alright? And the neon colors look shot. They are shot, bro. Whoa. Whoa, the party shots, man. Ain't no way, bro. The party shots, man.
Pantera, ni los diablos cajuelos pueden con nosotros. ¡Yay! ¡Cuidado!
Bro, excellent, excellent. The only problem I have with this video is because it was too short. It's too short. A minute? I'm expecting like a 2 or 3 minute video. But regardless, bro, I'm loving it. My friend, thank you so much for your comment, because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't even know that this video was existed, because sometimes she like takes a month to give us content. So I was expecting to get back another content within a month time. I wasn't looking forward to get a video so soon. But you all know, we can't study people. People is just different. Okay? So thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.